Hey, welcome back to Hanson Sports Card Breaks. Today we get the opportunity to break open the brand new 2019 Topps Heritage Baseball. I have 3 hanger boxes that I picked up from Zephyr Epic. And for those of you that might not know who Zephyr Epic is, it is a card shop here in Vancouver, Canada. And you can order directly from their site, and they have awesome prices. And it is ZEPHYR Epic, and they don't sponsor me at all, but I just went and met the owners today, and it was an awesome experience. Great young guys, brand new business that they're doing. They've been online for quite some time, but they just opened up a retail location. So I just wanted to plug them quickly because I've just always had an awesome experience. But let's go ahead and break open these boxes. I did have a chance to check out this product by picking up a Fat Pack from Walmart. And what's unique about the Walmart product is that and here is the Fat Pack that I busted open earlier today. There was no hits in here, but what I found interesting that Walmart is doing is they have these fabric stickers that you can get. So it's really moldable, bendable, and it's a fabric. So at first when I pulled it, I didn't know that it was a Walmart exclusive product. I thought, what's this interesting pull I got? So it wasn't anything extraordinary by any means, but very unique in itself. So I thought it was cool. But I love these. These are 1970s remakes, and let's go ahead and take a look at some of the odds on the back. I'll try and prevent that glare. If you want to pause and take a look. Excellent. So let's go ahead and bust this open. So the first thing we do is we take a look at the pack itself and see if there's any obvious hits that you can see, whether it's a relic or anything, and there's nothing apparent there. What I actually really like about this product as well is Topps has decided to identify on the cards which cards are short prints, and right on the card itself. So on the circle here, it will say variation. It'll have different identifiers for the short pit, whether it's a variation or it's a French short print. And I think there's 6 or 7 different short prints. One thing that they do is, as the French short print version, is the text up here in each of the cartoons. It'll be in French, so that would be a short print. So definitely check it out online, the different ones, but they should be identifying right on the circle whether it's a short print type card or not. I'm sure the code down at the bottom here will still be an identifier, but they just make it a little bit easier up there. All right, so because we have 3 hanger boxes to go through, I'm not going to go through necessarily each individual player name, but let's just take a look here. Chris Davis, this might be a short print. There's no notifier there. No, it doesn't look like it is. So Springer and Trevino, star rookies. If you hear any noise in the background, my 2 dogs, I have a Rottweiler Mastiff who's quite large, 115, 200 pounds, and then a small little Beagle / Wiener Dog cross, and he's the old guy. The little one is the old card. Gleyber Torres, New Age Performers. That's a nice insert. They love to play, and but they get pretty rowdy, so if you hear them in the background, that's what's going on. Let's put this one aside. That's a nice Gleyber Torres. So here we got the Dominant Kirsch, NLCS Game 5. Kyle Schwarber, Hirano, Chapman, Shaw, Garver, ALCS Game 3. JBJ slams the Astros into orbit. Peralta, Tony Kemp, Harrison Bader, Topps 2018 All-Star Rookie. Greg Bird. Let's take a look to see if there's any short prints on here. Nothing. All right, on to the next. Starting off with Yolmer Sanchez. Jackie Bradley Jr. Heavy home run hitter. Awesome outfielder as well. Just watching some of his YouTube clips, just his runs and dive catches, just an all-around amazing player. DeGrom, Corbin, Scherzer, strikeout leaders. Nix and Urias, star rookies. Trahan and Reyes. Another Graber Torres. That's a bit of a bummer. Only it'd be nice to get different New Age Performers inserts, but that's all right, I guess. AJ Minter. Cordero and Voth. Turner plays hero with go-ahead homer. Dean, Galloway, and Lopez, rookie stars. Javier Baez, the Sporting News. Aaron Judge, a Sporting News. All right, let's take a look to see for variation cards. Nothing. All right, let's get open this last one here. So what they also have in these boxes are, from my understanding, there's something called candy top or candy container tops. I don't know if those are unique to blaster boxes, because I don't see anything on here talking about them on this box. In this one, it might be player story booklets. I'm not too sure, but they do have kind of like the coins from Artifacts last year. So you can see that there's something different about this pack with that black line. It might be a black border card, which would be awesome. So let's put that one in the back and see what that's all about. Oh. It's something, a rainbow foil. Peacock, Polanco, Perez. Valdez James Dietz. Max Scherzer, Sporting News. Nick Markakis. Kyle Seager. American League batting leaders, we have Mookie Betts, JD Martinez, Jose Altuve. Justin Turner. We have RBI leaders, Baez, Arenado, Yelich, Aguilar, and Story. Corey Seager. Rookie stars, Ferguson, Santana. We got Matt Shoemaker. And then we have a news flashbacks. The Beatles go separate ways. I'll take a look at the back of this card afterwards, but let's just take a look at... Wow. We have a Zach Greinke rainbow foil refractor. And what I like too is that you can see right underneath in the circle that it says refractor on it. So the short prints will say that as well. It'll say action if it's an action card. It'll say variation, whatever the different type of variation it is. So this card here is numbered 287 to 570. It'd be nice if the numbers were maybe along the edge so it's easier to read, but that is a beautiful card. It does look a little... Oh, no, it's okay. Zach Greinke. That's a nice refractor. So all in all, pretty happy since pulling this refractor. Pretty happy with these pulls. The first two boxes were subpar, but this last one definitely made up for it. So hopefully you guys like this product. I can't wait to see some more of this product as I get more. And I just one thing that I really love about these heritage cards and even the artifacts is the way the cards are made. They have this sort of hollow, really cardboardy kind of feel to them. Definitely my favorite. It'd be great if all products were made in this way. But each product has their own uniqueness. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this as I did, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if you haven't already, I'd love to earn your subscription if you feel that I have, and your like on your video. And look forward to chatting with you soon.